Hello Aries, welcome back to the channel. This is Lady of the Throne. I'm here with your July 16th through the 31st love guidance. Welcome back, and I'm glad that you are here. Today we're going to be talking about what's going on and what's happening between you and a love interest. We're going to look at how you both feel about each other and both perspectives, how you both see each other from your personal point of view. And if you're interested in getting an extended version of this, going deeper and uncovering some secrets and some information that you may not know behind this person's actions, their feelings, and also if you would like some advice on what to do, I highly recommend getting the extended version of this. Check the description box down below. You will see the link to get the extended version. Aries, let's talk about the next 2 weeks in love for you. So Aries, how do you feel about your person of interest? So what I am getting here is that lately things have been pretty good, and you feel like you're taking a more mature approach with your lover this time. You're taking a more mature approach to love at this time. I do pick up that this maturity that you're showing and expressing within this connection is something that this person sees in you that they don't see in others. And this actually makes your person think that you're fit for marriage or that you're marriage material. So if this person starts to refer to you as their wifey, their wife, or someone who they're very serious about, then I don't think that they're saying these things about you to play around. I think that they're saying these things about you because they know who you really are on a soul level. They have taken the time to observe you and they know how you operate in the world. They have seen you be really strong in situations and they admire you for that. So this person could be interested in a more serious commitment to you and wanting you to stay aware of their love that they have for you. They want to be honest about how they feel, and they also have an expectation for you at this time, Aries. The expectation that your lover has for you during this time frame is that they're wanting you to be honest about your responses to them. So if they're going to be talking to you, they want you to really be truthful. They want you to be really, really honest, even if it means being brutally honest with them. But they want you to be not just saying the things that you don't like or things that you've already said. This person is open to knowing how you really feel about them as a person, as a human being. This person's trying to understand, why do you love them so much? And for some of you, there may not be enough substance in the connection for them to understand your capacity to love them. For others of you, this person may be trying to find out, after everything that you've gone through together, why do you still love them? So this person is really wanting to be really serious with you. So they may pose serious questions at this time and will want to ground the entire connection so that you two continue to have things forming here in a more serious way. So with this seriousness that's coming through from you, Aries, it is because I feel like there is a serious offer for you and a true level of commitment from this person. This person is really taking a very mature approach themselves now, and they feel like, you know what, I'm not going to get anything accomplished by going in a different direction. I'm going to listen to my heart, and I'm going to really ask these serious questions because I really need to know. And this person is really, really focused on you. So this person feels like they are happier alone when other people are not around them, because what they have been wanting to do and what they're going to be doing, I see this person the last half of the month really focusing on you, Aries, and only you. Understanding that your energy and how you are different than other people, They're really starting to peel away your layers. This person is changing how they view you, and this has also increased their availability to you emotionally. So with this person now seeing you in a different light, now they're more emotionally available to connect to you and wanting to give you their all, or wanting to give you more. This person wants to make the connection a final connection for them. What that means, Aries, is that they want to solidify this connection with you and make the connection stay together, where it's unbreakable. It never can get lost in the sauce. You never have to question. They never have to question. This is a person who believes in grounding, a person who believes in building, a person who believes in trusting. They must trust who they love. And with you being such a serious and potent candidate for love, for long-term love for this person, they have to go through all the security measures when it comes to their heart before they just fully give you everything that they've got. And this person has been working on this, I feel. And so at this particular time, they're going to be trying to work together with you so that you two can have something that isn't going to go anywhere. For a lot of you, this person just didn't want this to end. They don't want this to end. They want to be in your life, and they want something understood between the two of you so that they never have to feel that there's a back and forth happening. This person could have felt like they were on an emotional roller coaster in the past, but now they see a side of you that they are going to truly nurture and support. Whatever this energy is that you're showing them, they truly support that. They love this side of you. They want to nurture you because of it. They are committing to being ready for this new life with you, Aries. It's like this person has taken themselves out of their own role for a second and put themselves in your shoes to understand you. And you're going to get an idea that this is what's going on because this person's communication style is different. They're going to be reacting in a totally different way than what they were in the past because now they understand what you were feeling deep down. Or maybe this person just loves something particular that you may not be able to quite put your finger on it. You may not quite know what this person sees in you, but this person sees a particular special quality that you have. And something about whatever this is making this person be way more serious about things, okay? And you're going to get a different level of commitment from this person because what they're seeking is to have an unbreakable connection with you, okay? So how do you view your person? You view them as going through a life transformation at this time. You do see the changes. You're going to start noticing the changes in them. You're going to start seeing this person do things in a different way. So you see this person now accepting responsibility for all actions and behaviors of the past. You see them as someone who's experiencing an epiphany right now, an aha moment, like, aha, this is what I've been missing. You see this as someone who's welcoming healing into their mind. They're clearing their thoughts that they once had about you, changing the way they look at you, and now seeing you from a different perspective. So they are forgiving themselves for things and letting go of an old version of themselves and waking up. A final cleansing is happening within this connection, and this is an extremely important and valuable moment in this love connection with you and them. This is the moment where this person finally clears out a lot of negative thoughts, feelings, and triggers that will come up. That's moving into the past for this person. And this person had some things that were hidden or even denied some things. But now all of these things has to come up to the surface to get to the truth of everything. And this is what you see in them. You see them having a wake-up call about the connection. You see them wanting to commit to their destiny in order to advance toward the highest form of love and truth. You see this person taking time to understand life from a spiritual perspective now. So something has majorly shifted and changed in this person, in their mind. Okay, something has majorly changed, and your person is really truly changing, and that's how you see them. So your person, how do they see you, Aries? They see you as still having some residue from a past toxic karmic connection that you had. And the reason why this person sees you like this is because maybe when you approach the connection in the beginning, this person saw you had a lot of ego. And this person could have saw, Aries, that you wanted to kind of have a lot of control in what they did and didn't do, how they responded, didn't respond, what they said and didn't say, how they felt and didn't feel. You probably had that because maybe you were just used to a certain type of partner. But this person sees you as kind of like letting that obstruct the connection a little bit. And I'm just being honest from their perspective. But they see that unraveling now. They see your ego going away now. They see you, they're seeing more of whatever this thing is that you're changing, because you both are changing simultaneously, as you can tell. But whatever is happening within you, Aries, is making them have a totally different outlook on you and understand what is going on. So this person sees you as now being able to enter that path of awakening through the love in your heart. Like now you're waking up to the idea that somebody out here really does love you. That somebody out here really does appreciate you and really would do anything for you. Now they see you finally understanding the role that they have been meaning to play in your life, and that's what they want to do is really love you. That you don't have to be stuck on, they don't think you're stuck on any person. They think that you think that they're going to be like other people. That's how they see you, Aries, is that maybe in the past you had an expectation of them. But they see that you're now clearing those really, really toxic and demonic people that you were dealing with in the past. You're clearing that out because this is something new for you. This person seeing you doing whatever it takes to wake up out of that state that you were in where you didn't see things as they were. And now you're waking up to a new truth that love is the thing that's been healing you from that. And this person, your person of interest, their love has been healing you. And that's what they want you to know, is that they're in your life to help you heal from things, not to bring you back. That's what they're trying to tell you. That's what they want you to know. And so this person sees you discovering what was the root cause of your suffering in the past. What is it that you need to let go? And they do see you working on and releasing old karmic situations from your past. Okay, so things that you used to repeat a cycle, and you kind of like, approach this person kind of like they were like your karmic partners from your past, your ex-boyfriends or your ex-girlfriends. But this person's like, no, I'm not like that, and I'm not coming in to be a karmic. I'm coming in to really love you and to heal you. I'm here to help you too. So your person is like seeing something change in you. And I think it's the fact that, Aries, you're starting to realize what is happening and maybe also how you approach situations as well in the past. And it's so cute and amazing because you and this person has an interesting dynamic where the first 2 weeks in the month, Aries, you were just so unhappy with the results from this person and the fact that they didn't notice you enough to acknowledge what happened. But this person always comes back, and from their perspective, they always come back, their energy. They just always want you to know that it may not be your perspective that is the truest, sometimes consider how I saw it too. So this is like, I feel like this is how this person saw it, and they want you to know this through this guidance that I'm providing, that I think how they see it is that maybe you also had an expectation of them to be like others, and they didn't want that for you. They wanted to come in and be the person who can help you heal from things. They just have love. And so you both have the same perspective. You and this person are always tit for tat energetically, because you both are the same. When it comes to your approach and perspectives, it's very similar, but it's also different, because you two are driven by the same things, but you approach it differently, if that makes sense. You're driven by love. This person is driven by love. You both just wanted to love each other, but you both had a different way of approaching it. So this person's like, listen, I do want to love you, but I don't want you to think that I'm coming in to hurt you or bring you backwards. So that's what's going on. And so there's more that we can talk about. There's an extended. Get the extended if you want to go deeper, Aries. Thank you so much. God bless.